Hey everyone, I'm at the Doubletree Hilton at Biscayne Bay, and this is a really beautiful hotel. When you enter, you have this like full mirror with a lot of storage, and right here you have the refrigerator, and you also have a microwave in here. So that's really nice, especially for my little kids. It's super convenient. And then you have the restroom with a standing shower. Very nice. These are the beds. And the view from here, it's absolutely beautiful. You have the marina over here. You can rent boats too, and there's a restaurant that's Casablanca on the bay. I'm gonna be dining there tomorrow, and that's over there, the Miami beaches. The bridge will take you there. It's absolutely beautiful.